And again, just wanted to make sure you guys saw. This is a melted piece that came out of this Danby fridge. There it is. Put that in there. And also to show you that it's not an old unit, here is the ice tray. One that just turns over, makes ice. Garbage, obviously. Wanted to show you the other drop tray underneath, because you're not going to clean plastic that well if it's an old unit. Here's the other two. Here's the other big ice cube trays. And here is the bottom tray. As you can see, clear as a bell, because you're not going to hide when it's a used unit. And there you go. So, thank you, Danby. Or maybe somebody will take responsibility for a very dangerous product that's made. Thank you.